3D History Channel welcomes you. This is a lighthearted debate between the Sun and the Earth about the center of the universe.
Hey Earth, we need to talk. Lately, I've heard you calling yourself the center of this universe. Are you serious?
Well, it's true. I have life. I have oceans, jungles, poetry, philosophy, and pizza. If I'm not the center, then who is?
Sorry, but if I stopped shining for even 1 second, all of that, from pizza to poetry, would vanish in the blink of an eye.
Fine. You create the conditions for life. But without me, who would know you exist? Who would see your light, record it, praise it, and write ballads about it? You think just because I orbit you, that makes you the center? If so, then the other planets orbiting you must be too. Does that mean we're all just satellites? Mere dependent shadows?
I'm not saying that, but I'm where it all began. Light, energy, life, it all comes from me.
Then fine, shine on your own. I'll stay silent, no one to hear, no one to know, no one to exist to witness it.
True, without you, I'm just one star among billions. No one would notice.
And without you, I'm just a frozen rock drifting in darkness. No voice, no awareness, nothing at all.
Maybe neither of us is the center.
Because we both need each other for this to mean something.
Creating life is one thing.
But recognizing life is the real miracle.
No one is the center. We're a family.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.